Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to the Python programming language. Python is a general purpose language. Before discussing about the Python, okay, as per our syllabus, we need to think over about what is meant by language. Okay, what is meant by computer languages? Computer languages are to be the languages where we can interact with the computers. The machine can understand the machine language, the humans can understand the human language. There is a vast variation between the computer languages and human languages. Okay, for interacting with the computers, we need to take the help of languages. Among the such languages, there are two types of main languages, that is high level languages and low level languages. High level languages are to be the Python, Java, C, C++, like that. So many of languages are there. These languages are very easy to program and it is very easy to understand. And these high level languages are very easily understandable by the humans. And next the low level languages. Low level languages are to be the mission languages, which is completely understandable by the missions. Okay, assembly language. This is assembly language is also one of the low level language, but it is not completely mission language. This is a middle version of high level language and low level language. This will be this assembly language is writing in form of assembly codes, mnemonics. By that mnemonics is in turn is to be converted into mission language. Okay, here I told you that the humans can understand the human language, the mission can understand the mission language. We need the help of programming languages to interact with the missions. While interacting the missions, the high level language code need to be converted into low level language code. That is possible with the translators. Okay, that is possible with the translators. These translators, among there are three types of translators: interpreters, compilers, and the hybrid one, which uses the interpreter features as well as the compiler features. Interpreters. Interpreter will execute the high level language program line by line. It will not it will not come it will not translate complete program at once. It will only translate line by line. It will check the line. If the line contains any error, okay, it will not move to the next line until unless we need to correct that error. Okay, once we correct that error, the compiler interpreter will move to the next line. Okay, and it will translates by line it will translates into high level language to low level language. The next one is compilers. The compilers are to be the uh, translators which converts the high level language program into low level language program, that is binary code directly. The entire program is to be translated at once. That means the complete program is to be converted at once. If there is any errors are there, it will shows all the errors and warnings. Okay, we need to rectify that errors and warnings to translate into the mission language. And hybrid version of this translator is, this will uses the advantages of interpreters and advantages of the compilers. In this for that hybrid one, Java is one of the Java translator is one of the example. Here Java translator, first it will translates into intermediate code, that is by using the interpreters it will convert into intermediate codes, and it is to be executed by the Java virtual machine. This Java, first it will compiles, it will translate by using the compilers into the intermediate code, that is byte code, and it will interpreted execution is to be interpreted with the Java interpreter to execute just. Okay. This Python is a general purpose programming language. It will have more attention nowadays because of the the open Python is one of the powerful programming languages nowadays. This what is the main benefits of this Python is the it is very easy to use and it is very easy to learn. Python language is incredibly easy to use and learn for the new beginners and newcomers, and it will also be very uh, it is also very popular for the experts also. That means this programming language can be used for both beginners and experts alike. This Python readability makes it a great first programming language. It allows you to think like a programmer and not to waste time with the confusing syntax. This will provide a general purpose syntax which is very easy to understand instead of taking other languages like Java, C, C++. The Python language syntax is very easy and very flexible. It is very easy to understand and it is readable. That is the main power of the Python language, which gets the more popularity now. The Python is developed by the Rossum in 1980. He made sure that the design is to be the general purpose language. The one of the main reasons for the popularity of the Python language is simplest in the syntax and it is very easy to understand. Why this Python is very popular is Python is a open source language and the packages in the Python language is to be the uh, it is to be improved daily basis. That means what I am telling is the Python language, the Python packages, that is freewares. The Python packages daily develop చేస్తున్నారండి. అంటే every day it is growing and is to be a free language. That is, it is to be a freeware. Freeware means we can use, any person can use that Python programming language to make the programs. Okay, this Python programming language, we can do the programs in DOS based, that is interactive, that is character user interface programs, graphical user interface programs, and web designing also possible by using the Python programming language. Okay, in our syllabus we are going to discuss vastly about the Python programming language. Now we need to think over about how to use the Python. Okay, how to use the Python means Python programming language use చేసే కంటే ముందు we need to install the Python programming language. Now I will show you how to install the Python programming language. Okay, there are so many of ways to use the Python programming language, but one of the best one is Anaconda software. Anaconda software will provides Python plus IDE, that is integrated development environment, which provides the facility to write the programs. Okay, now I will show you how to install the Python programming language on our mission. This is the Anaconda website. Okay, www.anaconda.com, and in the Google also you can type the Anaconda distribution, then you can get this page. In this page we can download the Anaconda software. Here observe this, there are so many of versions of there. Here Windows is one Windows version. In the Windows version 3.7 is to be the popular one. Okay, whenever you type that one, you can get one window like this. Here you can get the download window, and you can download that. This is to be around 500 MB. This is to be around 500 MB. Okay, you can get you downloaded that. After downloading that, click on it and install the Anaconda. You can get this window. Press the next, and licenses are there. Agree that licenses. You can get two things. Just me, all for all users. Okay, if we are going to use in our mission only, na, you can take both of them, anyone you can take. You can get the installation folder. Okay, press next. Okay, you can get another window. Okay, regular Anaconda, just you have one default option, regular Anaconda. Okay, just install it. You can get that. You can click on the install button, then it will take installation, and it will take some time. It will take some time to install that. Okay, after that, next, and thanks for installing the Anaconda. You can get that information. Just finish it. Okay, you can get one button, that is, you can get here Anaconda Navigator. Just select that Anaconda Navigator. In the Anaconda Navigator, you can get this like this icon while loading the Anaconda. After this, you can get like this window. This is the Anaconda Navigator. So many of things are there. Here, observe this. In this one, Jupyter Lab is there. Jupyter Notebook, QI console, Spider, VS Code. So many options are there. Among this, here we are using the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook for making the Python programming. Okay, you can use the Jupyter Notebook, or you can take also Spider. Spider is also one of the option, one of the IDE for doing the programs by the Python. Okay, this is how we can install the uh, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, I will show you how we can make the first program. Okay,